Urobo wado ikpako memi igwe o umanwana begano umana bewerewe okineji mofu wadi tutaku gbetione okede inu nena kyobo wani emebio udemeye oyono Kristi ogene nyero happy igo umukoro nunena meguno yono kpare ede ewewerevo le osha evaye eromore say so maraye uvuwe. Today I want to talk about some names, sweet names, pet names that married couples can call themselves in Urobo. Ovieme, my king. Ovierayeme, my queen. Amionyome, my honey. Ubiudume, my heart. Ateyerubiudume, my heartbeat. Omiemieme, my sweet or sweetness. Omiemierubiudume, sweetheart. Omiemierokparobo, sweetest. Omiemierokparobome, my sweetest. Egwono, love. Egwonome, my love. Akpome, my life or my world. Erume, my beauty. Ome, mine. Oyibume, my sugar. Usiarerubiudume, the key to my heart. Okeme, my gift. Egwonoruyotame, my true love. Ebrubame, my favor. Amakashe, angel. Amakasheme, my angel. Ogangareme, my dear, or my precious one. Ubiodadame, my rib. Oro, gold. Orome, my gold. Ajijame, my silver. Diamond me, my diamond. Urukbeme, my light. Isiome, my star. Omorovieme, my prince or my princess. Elome, my sunshine. Ojirenweme, my heartthrob. Osume, my boss. Osume, my boss. Ofarora makasheme, my angelic face. Ayeme, my wife. Oshareme, my husband. Ododome, my flower. Agogome, my joy. Abebome, my cherished one. Ayemero Jewe, my adorable wife. Osharemero Jewe, my adorable husband. Ayeregeneme, my youthful wife. Osharegeneme, my youthful husband. Enweme, my breath. Oyibome, my white or pure one. Ebruviyome, my blessing. Orugbame, my fulfillment. Oremewoyoma, my pride. Oremewoyoma, my pride. Urinime, my glory. Egbame, my strength. Etinemidikwe uyo no lino nenabiyo. Ejamare welote urobi amare. Yamare wa welote shariwa. Eshari na wa welote yawa. Ele urobi amare ejobi. Kesa diawo to wonwo. Ejo gene kamari egwo no roteri. Lele amare wo di urobi amare. Voma werobe ridu wowo. Uderi Jesu ise. Wado. I'm the guest here for